In case you're wondering, what is today? Today is Walmart Day. So I call it Walmart Day, but it's the day that I go shopping. I go to a lot of various stores. I just start at Walmart, and for the record, I don't drive, so I rent a car, I rent a friend, and I do some, I would say, quarterly health shopping. So that's what day is today. I'm currently getting dressed, so let me put some pants on. Our first stop is Walmart. All right. I don't want you guys to sleep on their graphic tees because I'm going to be honest, I didn't really know that they had some pretty funny graphic tees. I like the ones that are pretty plain but kind of have some, like hidden messages in them. So I did pick up one. So I was looking for my friends, found them in front of the Clorox wall. And then we got into this debate about whose wipes are better. I ended up picking up the Walmart brand because it was just cheaper. But what do you guys think? Don't mind me, my friends call me Giraffe as well, so I'm saying hi. This was very interesting because I remember eating ramen noodles as a kid, but I didn't know that it got so fancy with the different flavors, and I was really impressed by this because I had not eaten it, honestly. There was beef, shrimp, chili lime shrimp, I saw like mushroom, cream of something. I was just like, this has really expanded, and I was impressed. Like, okay, ramen, I see why people eat you. So I want to take a moment and look at this massive cart of randomness, and then we're gonna look at Chew Macraw. Whatever. I'm horrible at pronouncing anything, so I had to put that clip in. It was just too funny. Oh. You know when you're about to eat real good, when you get happy when you're looking at the menu, right? First time there, but I will say that was definitely a hit. Stop number 2, which is Dollar Tree. So our time at Dollar Tree was so short, I forgot to film it. But when I was doing my haul recap, I was like, oh, wait, I'm going to show what I got. So I got these cute little pencil holders just because they look like garbage cans and I thought it was cute. I don't need it. I don't even know what to do with them. But that's what I got. So we're at Target. This was done at the end of February, so it was still Black History Month. Yay, we got an extra day this year. Ooh. So I was checking out the merch in that section before I just, kind of did my own thing. Who doesn't like a good mirror moment? I gotta fix myself. Been in the car walking around. And I'm gonna do a little fashion show for you. Yes, strut. So I was checking out the clearance panels because they usually have some good stuff. Pickleball set, I think that's what that was. I don't know. I was just looking at it. I did see this really cool lunchbox that was like 3 and some change. I didn't purchase it, but my friend did. So that was kind of cool. But other than that, clearance was a bust. I'm not gonna lie, I was excited to go to Marshall's because usually it's like my go-to place, but this store was not giving, so I didn't want to get anything, so I just made another mirror moment. So I made a second trip to Target because I forgot body wash and I need to wash my body. So yeah, let's go in there. Kind of got distracted. I also wanted some workout equipment, so I was checking out some things. But clearly I have no upper body strength. And let's see how much this was. Yeah, when I scanned that, I was like, absolutely not. $45 for a 15-pound dumbbell? I'm good. So heading to my second favorite place in the world, besides Walmart and Target. I guess that'd make it number 3. If you guessed Ikea, then you guessed right. Yes, we're gonna have fun here.
I don't need to.
Share the angle.
That's the better camera. I already know.
Yeah. Let's take it.
Funniest thing about trying to be a content creator is that everyone kind of tells you how to film the content. So that's what that was about. And this is the content I got for what? I don't know. It's cute. Look at me. Now we're gonna spend the time exploring through the different little showrooms that they have. I generally do like how Ikea puts these spaces together. It does give me a lot of inspo. I was in the process of trying to figure out how to redo my house for spring of 2024. I did get a little bit of inspo, especially around my office. So that was cool. But yeah, some cute things. I'm trying to take a little photo for IG here, which I didn't post, but yeah, it was cute. With IKEA shopping is like it looks like you bought nothing and you spent like your whole life savings there. But I did get a lot of good things that I ended up having to build like a few weeks later. We definitely hit 2 for 2 with the places that we found to eat at. That pizza spot was delish. Now it was for the evening commute home. So a few days later, finally mustered up the energy to unpack everything. So I'm going to show you what I just spent a bunch of money on. So those you remember from Dollar Tree, I answered that a little earlier. And now I'm just going to get into all my random Walmartness. So I'm kind of speeding through what I got, but it was literally a lot of randomness and it was just stuff that I needed. But I was super stoked about these plates that I saw. They're so pretty and I'm a sucker for all these natural tones and colors. Everything I have is a shade of brown. So I was super happy to eat on these. Picked up some essentials for all the random hobbies that I'm developing. Got some random clearance items. Mustard and micellar water. Great mix. Not together. Don't eat it, please. Some vanilla to continue my baking. Yeah, a lot of randomness, but a lot of things that I actually needed. And believe it or not, all these random things that I got, since I live solo, actually will last me until the next time I do my little Walmart day. But yeah, it was fun. I think money well spent. At this point, I was questioning all the things that I bought because it was so random, but still turned out to be a good haul. I am gonna post a picture at the end of this so you can see overall what I got for the amount of money that I spent. But I did not show you guys things from IKEA because I got like bookcases and all that stuff. So when you do see the haul, just know that's not there.